spices that will help make you well. Sage may improve brain function and memory. Sage, known scientifically as Salvia officinalis, is a herb native to the Mediterranean region, revered not only for its culinary uses, but also for its medicinal properties. Historically, sage has been used to enhance brain function and memory, among other health benefits. Health benefits of sage. 1. Cognitive enhancement. Sage is well regarded for its potential to enhance cognitive functions, including memory and concentration. Some studies suggest that it can improve symptoms in people with mild to moderate Alzheimer's disease, likely due to compounds that may inhibit the breakdown of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter important for memory and learning. 2. Antioxidant properties. The herb contains a range of antioxidant compounds, such as rosmarinic acid, luteolin, and apigenin, which help neutralize potentially damaging free radicals in the body. This antioxidant activity supports overall cellular health and can help prevent chronic diseases. 3. Anti-inflammatory effects. Sage has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce swelling and inflammation, potentially benefiting conditions like arthritis or asthma. 4. Antimicrobial and antiviral effects. The herb exhibits strong antimicrobial and antiviral properties, making it useful in fighting bacterial and viral infections. 5. Supports digestive health. Sage can help relieve symptoms of indigestion and gastric distress. It stimulates the upper digestive secretions, intestinal mobility, bile flow, and pancreatic function, enhancing overall digestive efficiency. How to use sage. Culinary uses. Sage is a popular herb in cooking, often used to flavor meats, soups, and stuffings. It pairs well with pork, beef, duck, and chicken. Tea. Sage leaves can be used to make a calming tea, which may aid in digestion, relieve sore throats, and reduce menopausal symptoms. Essential oil. Sage essential oil can be used in aromatherapy to enhance alertness and manage mood. It should be used with caution, however, as it is quite potent. Supplements. Sage is available in various supplement forms, including capsules and tablets, often used to enhance cognitive functions and support memory. Considerations. Pregnancy and nursing. Sage is generally safe in culinary amounts during pregnancy and breastfeeding, but medicinal amounts or concentrated forms like essential oil should be used with caution. Potential toxicity. Some types of sage contain thujone, which can be toxic in high doses. Common sage Salvia officinalis used in cooking is generally safe, but other varieties, such as Spanish sage, should be used carefully. Drug interactions. Sage may interact with certain medications, including diabetes and seizure medications, due to its effects on blood sugar levels and neurological properties. Sage is a multifaceted herb that offers significant health benefits, especially in enhancing brain function and memory. Whether used in cooking, as a herbal tea, or in supplements, sage can be a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. However, due to its potent nature, particularly in essential oil form, it's wise to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment regimen, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, or on medication. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any of the Good Life with Spice healthcare remedies. Also visit our websites at www.orangeblackmuseum.com and www.orangebooks.com.